Welcome to my channel, Learn with Safaa. Today, we're going to learn some words related to food from the lesson
طعامي الصحي.
My Healthy Food. Are you ready? Let's start.
Can you help me learn some Arabic words related to food?
Sure, let's start with some basic food items. The first one,
حليب.
milk. Let's repeat.
حليب.
Milk,
ماء.
water. Let's repeat.
ماء.
Water,
عسل.
honey. Let's repeat.
عسل.
Honey,
سكر.
sugar. Let's repeat.
سكر.
Sugar,
تمر.
dates. Let's repeat.
تمر.
Dates.
Great! How do I say, I eat dates every day?
Sure.
أنا آكل التمر كل يوم.
Let's repeat.
أنا آكل التمر كل يوم.
I eat dates every day.
Okay, what about meat and beans?
Meat is
لحوم.
and beans are.
فول.
Let's repeat.
لحوم.
Meat,
فول.
beans.
Thanks. What's the word for apple?
Sure. Apple is.
تفاحة.
Let's repeat.
تفاحة.
Apple.
Thanks for teaching me all these words.
You're welcome. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep learning and practicing, and you'll be fluent in Arabic in no time. If you like this video, share and subscribe for more videos.
مع السلامة.